Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python script which will actually rename bulk files in a folder. So now let's suppose if you have a folder which contains a lot of files which are not named in a particular manner. So as I'm targeting this folder right here, as you can see, it contains a lot of files, lot of image files. So I just want to rename these files in 1, 2, 3 order like this. So 1.jpg, 2.jpg, 3.4. I need to systematically rename all these files in a particular order. So for this, I can actually run this Python script here. So let me just change the folder name here to data and run this Python script. So just now see how it will save you a lot of time. If I just run this Python script, just notice on the left hand side, it will rename all your files systematically. So you'll see it is doing its process in the background. You can see all these thousands of files, image files have been renamed in a particular manner right here. 1 JPG, 2 JPG, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can see in a systematic particular order right here. So that's the thing that I'm talking about. It will save you a lot of time because you don't need to manually rename all the files. This script will automatically do this for you. So now let me show you the Python script which is responsible for this. I have given the script in the description of the video. So for this you just require the operating system module, and then here you mention whichever folder name that you're working with. So you need to give the path here, and then you simply get the total number of files using the list directory function. After getting the files, you simply put which order to rename. So I'm just renaming it to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm starting it with 1, and then we simply using the for loop like this. For each file we are getting the path here by operating system path dot join function, folder path, file name. After that, here in this if condition we are comparing that if it's a file, then only we need to rename this to a new file name. So first of all, for renaming it, we also need to extract the extension. For this we use the split text function. We split the extension, then we put the new file name like this, right, and then we join the full file name. After that we rename this. So this contains this function here, rename, and then we rename this particular file path with the new file path, and then we print out the statement right here that your rename has been successfully completed, and then we simply increase the value of count by 1 every time the loop goes to the next round. This count value is increased. So in this easy way you can construct this script and basically run this to any folder which contains a lot of files, because it will rename this to a particular order. If I change it from 1 to 2, so now the file name will start from 2. So now you will see it will actually, the first file name will be renamed to 2. Sorry, this is not dash, this is extension. Sorry, this. Sorry, this is your data. If I again do this, you'll see file name already exists. So we already did that. So you can execute this script to the directory where the files are not renamed in a particular manner, then this script will work. At the starting I showed you, it will save you a lot of time. So thank you very much for watching this video. Also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.